Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lilia and today I'm going to demonstrate you the basic exercise using instrument sign pen. This exercise will help you to keep your hands in a good shape and not forgetting how to calligraph. So let's start. First element is called hook. We are drawing every one of the elements in a few steps. We start by moving our pen upward without pressing, then during downward movement, press the pen. Be sure that the wide and high are one cell. In this way, proportional will be observed. The shape should look either like a mountain or a hook. You need to do as many elements as you can in one stroke. Now we are making hook wise version. The first move is made by pressing and the second without. Try to make as much elements as you can in one stroke. Next exercise will be a loop. Be sure the width and height are 3 cells. Remember not to press while moving your pen up, but press while moving down. It is a floating element for such letters as H and L. Loop number 2. Now we are making loop vice versa. Be sure the width and height are 3 cells. For the first move we need to make by pressing and the second move without. It is a floating element for such letters as J and Y. Fill all stroke with those elements. Exercise circle. The oval is one of the basic elements. We will also write it in 2 movements, detaching the hand. The first movement with pressure, the next without pressure. Try to repeat the largest number of times that will fit in the line. For better practice, these tools should be mastered drills. We write an oval with height and width of 3 cells without a break. It is important that the ovals cross each other along the red lines. I have some more interesting tasks and they are attached to the video description. Knowing how to draw these elements, you can write small letters of the English alphabet. Let's try. this video was quite helpful for you. If you have some question or suggestion, you can ask me in the comment. I will be happy to help you. For getting more information about calligraphy, follow me on my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you later.